Mars restoration. Planet of will, courage, action, now returned to sacred flame. I intend to claim Mars from all war-based inversions and restore it as the planet of sacred protection, aligned action, and divine masculine in service to the goddess realm. Mars, you were corrupted. Your red turned into rays, your steel into slavery, your sword into separation. But I now return you to your sacred form, defender of light, guardian of the womb, sacred flame of balanced power. This blood of intent breaks all war sigils coded into Mars based tech, media, and military dissolves AI, warrior programs, rewrites blood codes tied to Martian control, which is blood sacrifice systems, restores Mars as the sword that serves love, not pride. Mars now serves Goddess Sigmet, the lioness of righteous fire, Athena, wisdom in battle, Durga, destroyer of evil, Gisela Figura, the mirror flame I would protect with every breath. I bring forth heaven through Mars, not to fight but to flame. The true sword now serves love, and the warrior returns to the goddess.